Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. Today it is Saturday. It's around, I'll tell you what time it is, 10 after 5. I had to wait for my Trendsend to come. I was very excited to get this box. Trendsend is a styling service by the brick and mortar store called Evereve. We currently do not have any Evereves in my area. There's going to be one at King of Prussia, which is a little over an hour from my house. Cannot wait till that opens. In the meantime, I have to order Trendsend boxes. If you would like to try Trendsend, you would get 20% off and I would get 20% off. You can use my referral link. If you don't like me, please use some other YouTubers' referral link. It's only going to benefit you as well. Thank you to whoever used my referral link because I do get 20% off these items in my box. Now, I just realized that I didn't bring the price list with me, but what I did get is my stylist curation of outfits. So if you don't know, Trendsend is by Evereve, as I just mentioned, and Evereve is quite a pricey store, and I have this love-hate relationship with them. First place, it's not like they have this huge selection. You're actually ordering from their store, all right? Not worldwide, but whatever store typically is closest to your home is typically where they send your Trendsend, or you can go into your account and choose. I actually choose the warehouse because I'm 5'2". I wear typically a 25 or extra small, and I find that they had the best selection for my sizes. What that means, though, often because their warehouse or main store is very few sale items tend to be left. I think it's one of their high volume places. It also tends to be the places where a lot of people like me choose to get their boxes from. Their lower end name brands typically end up being their in-house name brands. I would expect things to be $60 and above, typically $88 for an Evereve blouse. And you can get, as they're now carrying Mother Jeans, Page, so expensive stuff. So when I order one, there's a couple things I do. I don't do it regularly. I only do it on demand. And I only do it when I see things that I really want that are kind of unique that I can't get anywhere else. And I need to have a good selection of those items on my wish list in order to order a box from them, because I do pay $20 styling fee. It's not like Stitch Fix where I can get unlimited. It's that $20 styling fee. If there's nothing I want, I lose that money in that box. So I purposely make sure I choose a lot of items to put on my wish list. And once I get enough on that wish list, that's when I request a box, because there's no guarantee that they're going to choose those items for you. Fortunately for this box, I did get a few items from my list, and I'm very happy about that. And so far, they work. So the first thing I decided to try on is really the outfit too, and the one I was most interested in. I've been on the search for denim jumpsuit for a while, and when this one popped up, I said, oh, I have to try it. This is by Cloth & Stone. She writes, do it in denim. This denim jumpsuit from Cloth & Stone has been all the craze lately. Seemingly so. It is the easiest one and done look you'll ever own. Crafted in soft denim fabric, its sleeveless silhouette features a front zipper closure, an adjustable self-tie belt, and a relaxed leg. It is worth mentioning the pockets too. Ready for day and night happenings, you pair it with anything from sneakers to slides to strappy heels. A noteworthy number. Is truly so versatile, and I would have to agree. It's by Cloth & Stone. It's in coastal mist wash. It's an extra small. It's 88% cotton and 12% modal. Super soft. It is a little wrinkled because it was in the box, and plus it's cotton. But I think once I steam it out and hang it in my closet, it's going to be fine. All right, so I'll stand back so you can see it. It is the perfect length for me. I decided to pair it with a pair of wedge espadrilles, but like she said, I could pair this with, I thought the same thing when I was trying it on. I can wear this with sneakers and it would work. I can wear this with a pair of nice fancier heels and it would work. I just chose the espadrilles. It has like a belt. It has the slash pockets which aren't pulling. I think the rear end is okay, but I'll check it in the mirror or at the footage. But yeah, I like this a lot. It fits very comfortably, and it is super soft, like a soft, thin chambray. This is a summer jumpsuit. I can't see myself not keeping this one, but I definitely will look back at the footage and I will get the price. I know it's over $100. I'll get the price for you when I try on the next outfit. All right, give me a minute and I'll try on the next piece, but I'll do one more turn for you, okay? Really, really like this. So we're off to a good start. So give me a minute. Okay, that cloth and stone jumpsuit, my price, which remember is 20% off, is $126.40. So thank you, whoever used my referral link. Again, my referral link will be in the notes down below in the description, and you can check it out there. Again, if you have an issue with me and don't like me, I'm okay with that. Just use somebody else's referral link because you're getting 20% off. Okay, on to the next outfit. Ready, set, and stand out. These looks sure are perfect for both casual and dressy looks. Kut's most loved wide leg jeans from my wish list, which is true. I did have these on my wish list. Updated in a chic green hue are a must in every wardrobe this spring. You're going to love their fabulous fit and feel. Gearing them up for elevated evenings out, you can front tuck or full tuck the fun printed blouse and cowl neck top. Round out these looks with the Lenny belt with either booties or mules, okay? So these are the wide leg Meg Kut from the cloth pants in olive size 0. Now, let me show you something. I just actually did my Stitch Fix box, and I actually just kept a pair of wide leg Meg pants. Let me find them here on the pile. That are also called olive, all right? But look at the difference here in color, all right? I don't know if you can see this. This is dark olive, and this is almost like a gray olive. These also are 50% linen, 48% lyocell. I'll tell you what these are. These are gonna be more casual. These are more of a cotton. These are 91% cotton, 7% polyester, 2% spandex, all right? So because they're more of a cotton feel, and those are more of a linen, those I'm thinking like are more dressy and more summery, where these are more year-round. So I do like these, but between, these are the Meg in a dark olive, so it's the same thing. I have these level 99, they're jogger style, so they're much slimmer fit and a few years old, and then the cargo in olive. I have a brand new pair of Liverpool, and these are just your traditional like chino style that I got from Front Door Fashion that I haven't worn yet, but again, a lighter olive, but still in the olive family. And then I have these cloth and stone joggers, again, linen like, that I got from Marshall's a few years ago. So do I need another pair of olive pants at this point? The answer is no, Carolyn, you don't. Even though I have 9 million pairs of washes of jeans, I really don't need another pair of olive pants. However, I do like these and I do like the style, but it was silly to have 2 of the same exact style, this Meg style, in the same pants. Do like them. The top, let me tell you what this top is made out of first. This top is 75% polyester, 18% lyocell, 7% spandex. You know, it's an interesting combination. I don't feel the polyester at all in this. The lyocell definitely is coming through in it. I don't know how you describe this sleeve. It's almost like a bit of a dolman. So, I don't know. These don't really fit me that well, to be honest with you. I honestly think these kind of tops look sloppy on me. It has like the cowl neck. And I gave it a front tuck because if I kept it out, it really looks like a sack of potatoes. So, this one is going back. I do like the color. I do like a cowl neck. I just don't think the fit is all that great on me. This one is, let's see if I can find the name of it, the Gia cowl neck top by Evereve in taupe, which I really do like this taupe color. Size extra small. And this one is, again, my 20% off, $54.40. So again, this is one of Evereve's more affordable brands because it's their in-house brand. Love the color. I actually do like the fabric. I just don't think the fit is all that much flattering on me. Kind of just boxy on me. Next up is this belt. Okay, so this belt, let me tell you what I can tell you about the belt, is the Lenny woven belt in tan by Evereve, size extra small, small. And my price for the belt, again, remember I'm getting 20% off, is $46.40. I got a belt from Evereve last year or the year before, very similar color. Mine is braided, this is not, but this has the, I guess, kind of braided detail or similar detail around the horseshoe here. So my answer is no to the belt. I do like it, but if I didn't have something so similar, I might have considered it. And I do have to say, I think this belt is actually kind of too big for these pants. What do you think? Do you guys like the belt with these pants? I think it kind of overwhelms these pants. It just doesn't quite go. And this is outfit number 2, all right? Turn around so you can see the back of it. The Megs have pockets here with flaps on the back. The other thing I want to say too, you know, most of the styling services like Wantable and Stitch Fix, they don't send complete looks. However, both Front Door Fashion and Trendsend do send complete looks. The difference between the two of them though is that Evereve tends to have more basic bottoms. They'll say, you can mix and match. They'll give you a pair of jeans with the top. You know, it's like, you know, to me, that's not really styling. Don't get me wrong, they have some great clothes. They have great jeans. I love cutting from the cloth. It's just not anything unique or different. It's kind of like jeans with a top, like anything that I think any one of us can style. Olive pants with a top, you know? Whereas Front Door Fashion really curates a look. So I do prefer Front Door Fashion over Trendsend, sorry. But, you know, Trendsend also gets some unique things that I don't always see everywhere else, like that jumpsuit. So that jumpsuit I think is a keeper. All right, give me a minute and I'll try this on with the blouse she mentioned. Next up is this hazel blouse in cream multi. It's by Evereve and my price would be $70.40. Now I did ask her for a blouse, but I asked her for an eye-cap blouse, which was completely different than this. And maybe she got confused and thought I wanted this, but I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't like this. This is just not me. I kind of find the pattern a little bit too bold for my liking. I'll come closer so you can see there definitely is olive in there and there's peach. And I know I have other items that like are crazy like these colors, but something about this is I just don't like the pattern. It also has, this is definitely on the right way, I checked. It has the keyhole here in the front and the button in the front. The tags are definitely in the back. I'm not fond of this high rounded neckline. And it has the elastic cuffs. This is 100% polyester. The eye-cap blouse I was actually referring to is actually rayon. So this is definitely a no, definitely not me, and wasn't on my wish list, and it's going back. Not a fan of this. And I'll show you, here's the front of it, here's the back of it, okay? Next item, give me a minute, it's a whole new outfit. Okay, last outfit. So I'm gonna start with the bottom. I'm gonna start with the jeans, which are the Charlie's Slim in the color Utmost by Cut from the Cloth. My price would be $83.20. So the Charlie's, I actually have this style jean already, but I have them in like this champagne sparkle color that I ordered directly from Evereve a while back. I have nothing against these jeans. They are like not quite, they're a cigarette style. They're not quite a tight skinny like around the ankle. They are a slim cut though. The calf, it's not too snug on me, but it's not too bad. The funny thing is the ones that I got from Evereve in the champagne sparkle color, I got it in a size 2 and I purposely did that because of the light color and I didn't want them glued on to me. I have to say, this is the size 25 or 0, and it is actually bigger than my size 2s, which is kind of weird. So there it goes to show you. Let me see what I could see what these are made out of. Let's see, there is a label right here. Change your cut. I don't know. I don't think they're, wait, here it is. 66% cotton, 28% tencel, 4% polyester, 2% spandex, okay? They are soft, they're comfortable. Am I in market for a pair of jeans like these? No, I can easily send them back. Do I like them? Yes, but I'm not gonna cry by sending them back. The next 2 items were actually on my wish list. I'm gonna go into the blazer next. This is the Thea Stripe Blazer in natural stripe by Evereve. My price would be $134.40. I really don't have much in vertical stripes, so I thought this would be kind of different. I rolled up the sleeves, and let me come over and show you. It's like a denim stripe. I was reading somebody else's review on Evereve, and they were saying that it had green in it. I'm looking at this damn thing. I don't see any green in this whatsoever. I just see blue. So it's like a denim blue stripe and like a natural like muslin background. I did roll up the sleeves. I will show you they are buttoned, and I will warn you that the sleeve is a perfect length for me, maybe even a little too short when I roll it down. So remember, I'm 5'2" with short little stumpy arms. This might be actually too small for you unless you roll up the sleeves. So I mean, I would roll up the sleeves anyway. This is definitely unlined. It's a summer type of jacket. The material it's made out of, it's machine wash, cold gentle, light colors, tumble dry low. It's 53% linen, 44% lyocell, and 3% spandex, which kind of explains why it is a wrinkled mess. I do like the jacket, but not for $134. This isn't, I'm gonna keep this on my wish list. I'm gonna wait for a sale, and if it goes on sale at a price that I like it enough for that price, I'll pick it up, but I don't love it enough to pay it for this price. So hopefully that makes sense to you. Whereas the jumpsuit, I do love enough. It has sewn pockets here in the front, but there are definite pockets. They also have these natural color buttons going down the front. The fit, I think, is just okay. I think it's kind of a little bit boxy on me. Let me know your thoughts. I thought it was something different, something unusual I could add to my wardrobe. Not really loving it that much. And I have to say, Laura from Little Box of Happy got another blazer. It's navy, and it has a dickie inside with white stripes. I'm like, oh my God, I need that. Do I need a navy blazer? No, but I really like that one. So again, between that one and this one, even though this one's more unusual, that one looked really cute. So I'm gonna say no to this blazer for now. It will stay on my wish list. All right, next up is this totally up my alley. You guys know this. I wear a ton of mock necks, sleeveless. I like to layer. This is the Monroe sleeveless tank in white, extra small by John and Jen for $71.20. I don't know if I like it for $71.20. All right, so let me read this off to you. This is 68% viscose, 32% polyester, made in China, and they're also saying hand wash this. I would machine wash it in the garment bag. So let's take a look at this and see whether I like it or not. And I'm gonna also look back at the footage, make sure it's not see-through. That's one of the biggest problems I'm trying to find a white sleeveless top, is the see-throughness. So if this is not see-through and I like the way it fits, I might just bite the bullet and get it, because I have been looking for one like this. So it does seem to fit very well under the armpits. Here's the back of it. Hopefully it doesn't show my back rolls too much. It does feel like there's extra material here to hide that. Yeah. So like I said, the pants are nice. Nothing wrong with the jeans. I just can't justify them. And like, I have 9 million jeans and they're just not special enough for me to keep. And the jacket I like, but not at that price. The top is a possibility just because I'm having such a hard time finding non-see-through things. Again, we'll look at the footage. And this is my Trendsend. And of course they say you can mix and match the outfits. But she gave me, let's see, one full outfit here. The jumpsuit is another full outfit. And then she gave me the first outfit, the jeans, and 2 tops. So that was like 1.5 outfits. So it basically came with 3.5 outfits that you can mix and match together in this complete look, to complete the looks. I think she did a wonderful job. I'm gonna keep that jumpsuit. Not sure about this top. That would put me at close to $200, and I don't know if I wanna spend that right now. And that is it. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? I'm free. Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. Give me that thumbs up and comment below. I love to hear from you. Take care. Till next time.